अरे और थोड़ा विवरण तो कीजिए।
विवरण क्या है, गिरी का थोड़ा फैल गया है।
राइमिंग रैप बन गया भाई। यो यो took a day's rest, couldn't push any further. A couple of days back was experiencing excruciating pain in the limbs, and so had to make that hard decision to stay back. So spent an entire day taking rest, and it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Today is 23rd of January. We are having tea in this roadside dhaba. We'll have tea, maybe a little bit of light snacks, and then start walking. What we have done today is we are trying to negotiate a major part of the journey early in the morning. I have this light with me, help me negotiate the areas, the stretches where there are no street lamps. That's the whole goal. Probably walk till about 11:30 and then take a 3 to 4 hour break. Restart maybe at around 3:30 or 4, and then end the day's stretch at around 6:37. So we are restarting our journey at Khardi, and today's aim is to reach Igatpuri. So let's meet along the route. Having had tea and wearing the light, we are heading towards Igatpuri. We are joined by Suresh Yadav, one and only. Suresh bhai has joined us since last night, and from today on he's going to be with us for the entire stretch till Shirdi. कुछ बोलेंगे आप? धन्यवाद, बहुत है बढ़िया, थैंक यू. It's the break of dawn. The first rays of the sun will fall on us very, very soon. We've done about 11 to 12 kilometers, having started at 3:15, nearing Kasara now. I have Shibu with me with the reflector jacket. We'll stop for breakfast at the beginning of the Kasara Ghat. There are a lot of stalls lining up both the. This truck was just coming really fast at us. Okay, so we will have our breakfast at Kasara Ghat, at the beginning of the Kasara Ghat. Both the sides of the road are lined with food stalls, so that should be good enough for a tidy breakfast. Still about 6 to 7 kilometers to go for the beginning of the Kasara Ghat. What we've done today is we are consciously walking slow. Myself and Shibu, we both are walking slow, whereas Suresh and Vikas are, I will not say fast, but fairly briskly. This was the mistake that I committed on the second day. I tried matching my speed with theirs, and probably that's where I think I went sore. I fell flat on my face, not literally though, but I had to give up at one point of time or the other. So I'm consciously walking slow today, having taken rest yesterday, and also realigning our strategy of walking mostly in the dark and avoiding the sun. The sun zaps you. Even the 10:30 morning sun is quite hot. So no point in pushing yourself. Also, the inclination that we're going to be faced with at the Kasara Ghat is going to be a challenge. There are a few inclinations before Kasara Ghat. Probably that will act as the trailer before the actual movie begins at Kasara Ghat. We're going to be doing it on the opposite side, the one which comes from Nasik to Mumbai. So we're going to be doing that side and not the one which goes towards Nasik. This side of the ghat, the road is not as steep as the other side. So keeping my fingers crossed, walking slow, consciously, I hope to better myself today. ...20 kilometers more to the destination for today. at Igatpuri. We have been talking and planning, and we've been thinking of walking a little beyond Igatpuri. Let's see how that works, but for the time being we're going to have breakfast at this hotel. This is just about 1 kilometer before the Kasara Ghat. So we'll have a quick breakfast. It's about 7:50 in the morning. We have walked continuously for about 4.5 hours. Walking slow is turning out to be magic. शुआ का आज पहला दिन है चलने का, तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको? जरा भोजपुरिया में बताइए।
एकदम बढ़िया, कोनो दिक्कत नहीं है।
अरे और थोड़ा विवरण तो कीजिए।
विवरण क्या है, गिरी का थोड़ा फैल गया है। गिरी अपनी मेहरिया के इंतजार में बेचारा परेशान है, इसलिए शिरडी तक दर्शन करने जा रहा है।
अच्छा, मेहरिया का मतलब क्या है?
ओकरी मेहरारू मतलब बीबी होती है। ये लाइन कट करना और ये वीडियो भी।
ये वीडियो और ये लाइन जरूर आएगा, वो भी फीचर्ड में आएगा स्टार्टिंग में।
यहाँ पे एक जन को छोड़ के बाकी 3 लोग तो सिर्फ अपनी मनोकामना पूरी करने आए कि भाई हमारा भी जल्दी नंबर लग जाए। उसमें
मैं तो छूट गया भाई, मेरा कोई मनोकामना नहीं।
और
इसका
हो चुका है,
इसका हो चुका है अभी। तो बचे 1, 2 और तीसरा गया शौचालय। So we'll be having a breakfast here. This is साइची साउली। बहुत यूनिक है ये होटल। अंदर टेबल कम है, बाबा का मंदिर है। सो बाबा का मंदिर और उसके इर्द गिर्द लोगों को बैठ करके खाना है, ठीक है? तो ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे। सैनिटाइज करना नहीं भूलना। सब सैनिटाइज़र नहीं लेके आते और सब मेरे से सैनिटाइज़र लेते हैं। आपको सैनिटाइज़र बहुत ज़रूरी है। I have absolutely no clue whether we are safe, but इतना तो रखें, ट्राई तो करें। I'm having medu vada. I did not like the poha. I don't have onion and garlic, so I did not have the batata vada also. Even though it looked tasty, but I didn't want to have it because of presence of garlic. Nothing religious about it. It's just that I don't eat onion and garlic. So I'm having medu vada with chutney. No sambar. Sambar has onion in it. So I'm pretty settled having medu vada and chutney. These guys are probably going to have even misal pav. Okay, wonderful. So a good spread for the breakfast. So since walking on the tarred road or the concrete road was beginning to feel a tad hard, I switched on to walking over this muddy track. It's been quite beneficial till now. I hope to keep up this practice till the end of this trip. Let's see how I find it at the end of the day. We are crossing this last hotel just before ascending the Kasara Ghat from the side where vehicles approach Mumbai from Nasik. So here's where we are beginning to ascend the Ghat. Have a look. And behind there, just behind this structure, is the road which has vehicles going from Mumbai towards Nasik. So here we'll have vehicles coming towards us. I'm hoping that the ghat will be easy for us to cross. Wow, this is atop the Kasara Ghat, and what an absolutely wonderful place to do camping. Look at that, the terrain there, that grass land there is just absolutely perfect for camping. This is so beautiful, and hardly any distance from Mumbai city, from Thane city, from Navi Mumbai. अरे कहाँ जा रहे हो यूरोप, कहाँ जा रहे हो फॉरेन कंट्रीज? महाराष्ट्र इज सो ब्यूटिफुल when it comes to nature. So you have so many wonderful spots. You have so many beautiful places to visit in Maharashtra. You can do camping, you can do adventure activities. I urge the government to promote this. Maharashtra tourism is magical, mystical, enigmatic. Very, very beautiful. देखो और एक व्यू देखो, कितना सुंदर है. Have a look at this. Beautiful. है ना? It's become sunny now, a tad hot. It's 10:45 in the morning and I've just wrapped my head with my t-shirt, with my tea, as they say nowadays. Works well, protection from the sun, ample aeration, and that's what in Cebu is done. इसको कहते हैं इंडियन जुगाड़, भारतीय जुगाड़. जब हो ना आपके पास कैप तो कर लीजिएगा आप अपने टी का सर पे रैप. राइमिंग रैप बन गया भाई. यो यो.